Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. You want to see more?
Yes, more.
Use your bino there. And that way. Maybe you see why? Yes?
More birds.
More birds. She wants to see more birds. We are going to be joined by some very special friends of the park. And here they come. Now everyone with me here, this is Higgins, a wing macaw. Now wing macaws like Higgins here, they are the second largest in the macaw family. And Higgins is about 10 years old.
And with me, I have Katie, the sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now cockatoos in general, they can be found in Australia and certain parts of Asia. Now did you know that they get the name sulfur-crested cockatoos because of the yellow feathers on top of its head?
So parrots, they mate for life, but before that, you want to fly back to your trainer? Come on, Higgins, let's go. There you go. So parrots, they mate for life, and they make devoted parrots. So these birds, they take advantage of abandoned tree cavities or tree hollows just like this to build their nests.
That's right. And speaking of which, did you know they make use of nesting materials such as dry leaves, barks, and even twigs like this, and they will drop it inside the nest. But if the cavity is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge it. So let's see the birds in action, shall we? Alright, let's get this started. All the way inside, please.
Now if you are wondering what's happening inside, everyone, take a look at the screen. What's that?
Kitty! Hello! So cute! We have Kitty. That's Kitty! Kitty!
Ah, man, look at that.
So cute. Are you gathering more sticks?
And there you go. Thank you very much, Katie and Higgins, as well as your wonderful trainers.
Hey, was that a rooster? A rooster in the park? Where's the rooster? Anyone seen the rooster? Behind? Oh, Lynn! Huh? There, I found the rooster!